video we are going to discuss about the superior and inferior mesentric veins. So for that we need to draw the structure, that is duodenum. Okay, and here you have your pancreas, right? And from the pancreas you get one vein that is called as splenic vein. Okay, the splenic vein, and your this one is a superior mesentric vein. Okay, so the splenic vein and superior mesentric vein together form the portal vein. So this is portal vein, and this is a right branch of portal vein. This is a left branch of portal vein. Okay, so now let us start our discussion on first superior mesentric vein. So if you see the superior mesentric vein, it's a large vein which mainly drains the blood from small intestine, okay, and also from appendix, cecum, okay, and also your ascending colon, ascending plus you can write transverse colon. Okay, so like you can say from the midgut. So from the midgut the superior vein is draining the blood. Okay, so it is beginning especially in the right iliac fossa by union of tributaries from ileocecal region. Okay, so it accompanies the superior mesenteric artery, and the vein lies just right side of artery. So for example, here if you have the superior mesenteric artery, so just right to it you have the superior mesenteric vein. So right to it means here will be the artery, right? Because this is right side, this is left side. So this is superior mesenteric artery, then just right to it you have superior mesenteric vein, and it terminates behind the neck of pancreas by joining the splenic vein, as you can see here, into the portal vein. So now let us see what are the tributaries of superior mesenteric vein. Superior mesenteric vein tributaries are same like its arteries, so just add the name of vein to it. So first one is your middle colic. Next one is your right colic, and you have your this one will be right colic, right? Middle colic is this one, and here you will have your ileocolic. So these are the three branches of superior mesenteric tributaries, three tributaries, and the other tributary will be your right gastroepiploic vein. Okay, right gastroepiploic vein, and also you will have inferior pancreatico-duodenal vein. So you will understand it more clearly if you see my superior mesenteric artery branches. Like first one is middle colic artery, so here instead of artery put vein. Next one is right colic artery, instead of artery vein, ileocolic artery, and the other branches inferior pancreatico-duodenal, jejunal, ileal, right? So instead of all these names, just artery, remove the word artery, put vein. So all the superior mesenteric artery branches are only the tributaries of superior mesenteric vein, and also add this two extra to it, that is the right gastroepiploic vein and the inferior pancreatico-duodenal vein. So this is about superior mesenteric vein. Now let us discuss about inferior mesenteric vein. Okay, so to the same picture, just add here one more vein. This will be the inferior mesenteric vein. So the inferior mesenteric vein is draining the blood from rectum, anal canal, sigmoid colon, and descending colon. So let me write it. Inferior mesenteric vein drains rectum, anal canal, sigmoid colon, and descending colon. So all these parts, from all these parts, the blood is drained by means of inferior mesenteric vein. So the inferior mesenteric vein begins as the superior rectal vein from the upper part of lateral rectal venous plexus. So it communicates with middle and inferior rectal veins, and the superior rectal vein crosses the left common iliac vessels, medial to left ureter, continue upward as inferior mesentric vein, lateral to inferior mesentric artery. Okay, lateral, or you can say left to inferior mesentric artery. Okay, and next, this ascends behind peritoneum, passes lateral to duodenal jejunal flexure. Over here you can see. Okay, and behind the body of pancreas, so it will go behind the body of pancreas and join into the splenic vein. So like this, so it will join into the splenic veins, or sometimes it may also directly open into the junction of like this superior mesentric vein also sometimes. So these tributaries correspond to branches of inferior mesentric artery. So tributaries are nothing but inferior mesentric artery names. Just convert the names of that into the, so here you can see inferior mecentric, right? Inferior mesentric artery branches are left colic artery, sigmoid artery, superior rectal artery. So just convert this artery into veins like left colic vein, sigmoid vein, superior rectal vein. So these will be the tributaries for inferior mesentric vein. So just this is all about superior and inferior mesentric vein. Just remember that they will drain into splenic vein and portal vein. That's it. I mean, the splenic vein along with this vein they convert to portal vein. That's it. All the names are like similar to the artery, but only for superior mesentric vein you need to remember this right gastroepiploic vein and inferior pancreatico duodenal vein. That's it.